What many of us will realize as creatives is that if your mind isn't clear and if your habits are negative, those will translate into your business.
Purchase your tracks today.
Good morning, everybody. This is day 3, the video for day 3 of Ramadan. Today's prompt is by a writer named Daniel, and it goes as such. What areas in your life do you want to improve on? How will your life look if you were to start living this life? And what's limiting you from getting there? So first, I'll answer what areas in my life do I want to improve on. I really am going to improve on my discipline, and the discipline in my life looks like consistently waking up at 6 a.m., which is something that I do actively, but then it's to make my to-do list at 6:30, and then at 7 a.m. going to do my exercises. Then after that, it's going about tackling the tasks that I've set for myself for the day. And the discipline aspect of my life is related to setting clear goals, because I've found that when my goals aren't clear, I'm not able to achieve the things that I want for myself, because I'm getting lost in the fluffiness of what the goal is and then not what I'm going to do to get to the goal. How will my life look if I were to start living this life? So for me, what I intend for myself is to have a media conglomerate company called JFP DreamWorks, which I've already set in motion 2 years ago, but I never spoke about it. JFP DreamWorks is a holding company that will hold JFP Studios, the photography brand that I've been working on for the past 5 years. It will house the Let There Be Lights portrait brand, which is an educational photography company that aims to teach photographers the fundamentals of photography and lighting, and to teach them practical business and marketing tools to help them build relevant and sustainable businesses. And then Family Magazine, the third project that I'm working on, which is to tell compelling stories that are contextual to the modern day 21st century woman that feels alienated and needs a space to express herself and the things that she's going through. Those are the 3 things that I'm working on that is a part of the vision for JFP DreamWorks. One of the other things as well too is that in order to achieve that vision, what I've done is set a clear path for myself. So the third part in the question is, what is preventing me from getting to that place? And it was setting clear goals. And I've had this conversation a couple times, and I've had a lot of time to reflect on it. And it's the precision, it's the clarity, and it's the focus that would be preventing me from achieving that. What I did to paint that picture of clarity for myself is that I envisioned what kind of life I would have in a family aspect. Then the picture that I painted for myself in a business context is, how much money does that business have to make in order for me to achieve that goal? That business, in my head, I wanted to make $5 million per year. Now, in order for me to get to $5 million per year, that means that I need to clearly calibrate how I'm going to get there. And then that led me to think of business as a vehicle to get to that goal, as opposed to the business being the end all be all. If I want that life and the business to do $5 million a year, that means I need to calibrate my actions, the things that I do during the day, the relationships that I build how I go about executing those things in order to achieve that goal. So we start from the top, and then I'm working my way down from the bottom up. In order for me to get there, that means I have to start with my mind, because what many of us will realize as creatives is that if your mind isn't clear and if your habits are negative, those will translate into your business as well too. Your procrastination, your unwillingness to challenge yourself to do new things, your poor communication skills, your lack of time management, your inability to communicate how you're feeling in a situation, your inability to let somebody know that you failed, your lack of tolerating failure. All those things will translate into the business that you're doing. And that's why I understand now very clearly why many entrepreneurs speak about mindset. Because the thing with mindset is, if your mind ain't right, nothing is right. because as I said before, all those habits will translate into what you're trying to do for yourself. So because that is the vision that I have for myself, in order for me to get there, I need to be very clear, very disciplined, and execute. And that's one of the reasons I am undertaking this 30-day fast as well too, because it will help me to achieve that discipline. Thank you.